Today, let's learn about Thai consonant clusters. A consonant cluster is a pronunciation where two consonants come together. Got it? Let's go step by step so we can really understand it. Hello! In today's lesson, we'll learn about Thai consonant clusters. In Thai, a consonant cluster means a word where two consonants are read together. By learning this rule, your Thai pronunciation will sound much more natural. A consonant cluster is pronounced by joining two consonant sounds together. For example, words like craw, claw, and qua connect the first and second consonants smoothly. The key point is to make the second sound small and quick.
This chart shows the basic Thai consonant clusters. In Thai, when two consonants appear together in writing, most of them fit into one of these patterns. There are only a few exceptions. So when you see two consonants side by side in Thai script, you can first check this chart to see if it's a consonant cluster. By remembering this rule, reading Thai will become much easier.
Here, let's look at some common examples of Thai consonant clusters. First, Goro, as in Krungthep, which means Bangkok. Next, Golo, as in Klangwan, which means daytime. Then, Gawa, as in Gwa, which means then or more than. And finally, Bora, as in Pratet, which means country. These are some of the most common patterns of Thai consonant clusters. Here, let's look at some tips for pronouncing Thai consonant clusters. The key is to say the second consonant quickly and softly, while pronouncing the first consonant clearly and connecting them smoothly. For example, with gra, pronounce the first gal clearly, then lightly add the ra sound. That way, it will sound natural. Let's look at a slightly confusing example. This word is polamai, which means fruit. At first glance, pom looks like a consonant cluster, but actually it isn't. In the consonant cluster chart, there is no combination of P and L. So even if it looks similar, some words like this are not true consonant clusters. Here's a quiz. Which of the following words contains a consonant cluster? 1. กรุงเทพมหานคร 2. ผลไม้ 3. กว่า Take 3 seconds to think about it. The answer is, the first word, กรุงเทพ contains the consonant cluster K plus R. And the third word, กว่า contains K plus W. The second word, ผลไม้ is not a consonant cluster. In this lesson, we learned about Thai consonant clusters. By remembering this rule, you'll find it much easier to read Thai words. When you see a consonant cluster in Thai, try referring back to today's chart to check and confirm it. As you get used to it little by little, your Thai pronunciation will become smoother and more natural.
Thank you so much for watching until the end. On this channel, I share easy-to-understand Thai lessons for beginners. If you enjoyed this video, please support the channel by subscribing and giving it a thumbs up. See you again in the next lesson.